Unit 1. We're understanding patterns and number to 1,000. In Unit 1.1, we're going to be reading and writing numbers to 1,000. I'll let you look at the example on your own, and let's look at the question. It says grade 2 has 124 students. Write the standard form, number word, and expanded form of that number. So 124 is our standard form. We want to put that into words. You basically just say the number, and that's how you write it. So we have 120-4. So that is in number word form. And then expanded form is separating all of the place values. So we have 100, then we have the 2 in the tens position, so that's 20, and we have the 4 in the ones position. That is your expanded form. Unit 1.2, we're going to write the correct symbols of your less than, equal to, or greater than. Again, I'm going to have you can read through the rules on your own, but let's look at example A. We have 990 compared to 991. You're always going to start in the ones position and look to see what your numbers are. Okay, so since 0 is smaller than 1, that is going to be your less than symbol. Less than. Let's look at the second example. We have 451 compared to 451. Well, they're the same number, which means they're equal. Unit 1.3, write the missing numbers. So we've been given 22, 19, 16. We're going down, but we've got to figure out what is it that the pattern is. What are we going down by? So you can just count mentally in your head. 21, 20, then 19. So that means we're subtracting 3 here. Let's see if it works the same here. 18, 17, 16. Subtract 3 again. So then we can just continue the pattern. What is 16 minus 3? 13. What is 13 minus 3? 10, and so forth. Unit 1.4, rounding to the nearest 10. Read through the example that's provided in the information, but let's look at example A. We want to round 53 to the nearest 10. 10 is the second number. 53 is in between 50 and 60, but 53 is closer to 50. So 50 is rounded to the nearest 10 that you'd round to. Let's look at Unit 1.5. It says read and understand and look for a number pattern to solve. So we've got 5 numbers listed here. The first thing we want to do is put the numbers in order from least to greatest. And they've kind of already helped us out a little bit with that. 215 was our smallest number. 235 is the next one. So if we keep looking at our 3 numbers, we can see that we've got 255 comes next, then 275, which was there, and then the last number is 295. But we want to know what the pattern rule is. They've got a pattern going on here, and we've got to figure that out. So let's look at what's different. What's different is the tens column. What is happening to increase the tens column each time? Well, it's going up by 2. But because it's a 10, that means that you are adding 20 each time. So that is your pattern rules, that you're adding 20. So what is the next number? Well, let's go to our last one. Let's go 20 more. So if you need to basically add 20 to that, that's fine. Go through your process. It means 315 is your next number.